Welcome to this edition of genNEXT at Home, Action Figure Photography. I'm Carl Scott, one of the photographers here at 24G, and one of my favorite subjects to shoot are action figures. I've captured these photos on location or at home in my studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and take this photo of Superman in your home studio. You're going to need a couple things: blue poster board for the background, cotton balls to make the clouds, and some canned goods. You'll also need an old wire coat hanger, or some electrical wire will do, fluoro wire or solder, and of course some scotch tape to hold things together. Now grab a couple flashlights for lighting the shot. Here's our choices of Superman figures. Let's use the small one right here. First off, we're going to need some fluoro wire. Tape it to his back, and then we're going to tape it to his cape. The wire makes the cape look like it's being blown by the wind. Okay, now we're going to use some more fluoro wire to string together some cotton balls to make the clouds. To make your clouds look a little more realistic, simply stretch out the cotton just a little bit, like you see here. Okay, take those canned goods, stack them up with the poster board, and bend it just a little bit. Now mark the hole where the wire is going to go through. Hey kids, get your parents to help you here because, well, scissors are sharp. Then you'll push the wire through the poster board, and that's where Superman goes. Now get those clouds that you made earlier and string them across the two cans at the top. Alright, take a couple test shots and see what they look like. Okay, time for some lights, which will add definition to the subject and brighten your background. Use something to hold up the light. Anything works. Scissors, the tape, whatever. Now do a few more test photos. And look, you just captured Superman flying. Alright, now you're up. Take an action figure photo and tag it with the hashtag 24genNEXT. We'll be sure to feature the best ones in an upcoming edition. Good luck.